Hi, this is Sarah and welcome to Always Dolls. Today we share with you more fun food crafts for your American Girl dolls. See how to make colourful lollipops, cute candy bracelets and delicious chocolate bars. If you enjoy this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to support our crafty content. Our dolls love their sweet treats, so let's get making! For round lollipops, use beads that are about 1.5 centimeters in diameter. Next, cut thin strips of printer paper to mimic the seam where the lollipop is joined in the middle. Glue it around the center of the bead. 1 strip of paper is enough per lollipop. For the stick, take an actual lollipop stick and cut it down to size. Attach it by squeezing a drop of hot glue in the hole of the bead, then insert the stick, sliding it all the way inside. Now paint your lollipop. Since candy comes in all different colors, have fun here. We have purple grape, apple green, and cherry red. To add more realism, generously apply gloss Mod Podge over the bead. When the Mod Podge has dried, your lollipop will look so shiny and sweet. To make a handle, we have these plastic spiral hair ties. Choose the clear hair tie and cut off one of the loops. Hot glue the loop about 1 centimeter from the base of the stick. Then repeat this step for all your lollipops so your dolls can independently hold them. The little handle makes this craft more interactive and great for doll photography. From thick fun foam, cut a rectangle to be a doll-sized chocolate bar. It doesn't matter the color because we'll paint it later. Cut a base piece the same size from thinner fun foam. Using a crafting blade, carefully make 3 horizontal slits and 3 vertical slits, ensuring the cuts don't go all the way through the fun foam. With the blade at an angle, cut next to your slit to take away just a slither of fun foam. Shave off just a touch of fun foam besides all the partial cuts to create the classic ridge shape of a chocolate block. Then glue the thick fun foam to the base piece. Paint the fun foam all over with a rich chocolate brown color. If you'd like to go further, make a wrapper from cardstock or scrapbooking paper. Wrap the strip around the bar so the paper is snug but not too tight. Allow the paper to overlap at the base and trim off any excess. Use glue or double-sided tape to seal the wrapper. You can add more details with specialty foil cardstock and stickers so your chocolate bar looks fancy. Or just serve them to your doll as is. Now let's make a quick but cute doll candy bracelet from perla beads. You can buy packets in different colors, but if that's not available, no worries. Just use basic white beads and paint them with nail polish. Using thin elastic cord, string the beads in a rainbow-colored order. We needed 18 perla beads per bracelet, so it was long enough to wrap around our doll's wrist. Tie the elastic in a double knot before cutting off the excess cord. This DIY bracelet is so simple and makes a fun addition to our candy treats. Just be sure you let the nail polish completely dry before putting one on your doll. Get busy making your dolls these sweet food crafts today. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!